are going through Blood, Sweat and Tears by BTS because we just went through in our Kpop Dance Workshop. Learned the same chorus last year through live session because at the time we were doing the classes on live because of COVID, but since it was a pretty intense choreography and a lot of people wanted to learn in person, so we just went through the same chorus as last year here in the studio this past 2 weeks, and it was so much fun. So in this video I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial, and at the end of this tutorial we're gonna go through with actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. Also, before we start, I would like to announce to you guys that we have in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer free live classes on our Facebook group called Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and that opens to any levels and ages. So if you ever love K-pop, dancing, or even if you're not living in Arizona, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna face to the left slightly and extend your right arm forward. What we're gonna do first is we're just gonna twist the hands just like this, and then pull it to yourself. Yes, twist and pull. Yeah, when you pull your hands, you're just gonna step back, right, left. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Next, we're gonna jump, land, and hands up. Good. It's gonna be really quick. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. On 3, we're gonna land and hands up. Now after this, just gonna swing the arms, cross in front of your chest, and then bring your left knee up and then face slightly to the right. Good. Now we're gonna kick back and bring your left knee one more time up, and at the same time open your arms and lean forward. Good. So after jump and land, then we're just gonna swing the arms, bring your left knee up, kick back, lean forward. Good. Now step left, step right, and then we kind of go diving, but get a little bit lower, and then wave, wave twice. Step, step. Good. After land, swing left knee up, swing back in, left, right, right. Yes. Now we're just gonna pull the left leg back. Pull the right leg back, and then turn around. Yes. Turn around, turn it back, and then we're gonna jump and face front. Good. Dub, dub, step back. Jump, turn around, and then face forward. Good. As soon as you land, you're just gonna kick your right leg to the left and extend your arms to the side, to the right. Good. Now again, we're gonna open the legs and then bring your right hand to the left, left hand on top, and you're just gonna pull to the right. Yes. This is gonna take a little bit of time, so you're just gonna pull, 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 and then bring back your body to the center. Bring your hands up a little bit, and you're just gonna throw and then cross your right legs forward. Good. Now we're just gonna open your legs again, right, left, and at the same time we're gonna make a big circles. Yes, from the left arm, and bend your right elbow, bring it in front of your face. Left hand is on the back first. Next, we're just gonna close the knees, and then bring your hands in front of your hip or your abs, and you're just gonna take your upper body up, up. Yes, and then step back. This is the first half, so let's go through one more time from the dubbing. 5, 6, 7, dub, dub, step, jump, land, kick, right, left, pull, 2, 3, 4, shake it, throw it, circle, knee and up. Good. Alright, let's do from the beginning. This part. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, jump, up, kick, up, step, dub, dub, step, turn around and kick, down, left, pull, 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 shake it, throw it, circle, knees, up. Yes. Alright, let's go through with a count. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down, down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kick, right, left. Pull, 2, 3, 4. Shake it, throw it, circle, knees, hip, step back. Alright, let's move on to the second chorus. After this, step back. We're just gonna slightly face to the right, and then we're gonna slash. Yes, slash with your left hand and step left. Yes, now open your arms. We're just gonna kick back, and at the same time, pop your right shoulder forward. Kick back. Yes. Now bring that right knee up. Catch with your left hand. We're just gonna swim. Put it back. Right, left. Open your hands again and kick. One more time. Good. So after 7, 8, slash and kick back. Knee up. Swim. Right, left. Kick. Good. In the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now keep the right leg still up. Now we're just gonna throw one more time and a little bit to the left. Bring your right arm to the left and a kick side. Yes. Kick back, kick side. Now you're just gonna cross the right leg forward and turn left. Yes. And then we're gonna face that way actually. Yeah. After you cross, turn around. Now we're gonna go knee, shoulder, open. Yes, this is gonna be really tricky. We went through so many times in the workshop as well. After turn around, spin it, bring your right knee up, touch with your left hand. Now bring your right toe down and touch your left shoulder with your right hand. And then we're gonna open and the right leg forward. Good. So knee, shoulder, open. Good. Knee, shoulder, open. Here we go. Knee, shoulder, open. Knee, shoulder, open. Last one. Knee, shoulder, open. Good. Okay. One more time from the slash part. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Kick up, swing, and kick, throw, cross, turn around, and knee, shoulder, open. Good. After this, again, we're gonna one more time slash, but this time you're just gonna step forward and slightly face to the left and hands up. Yes, put the feet together as well. Slash and hands up and then chin up as well. Good. Now next one is gonna be a little bit tricky. Your legs move to right, left, right, left. Good. But it's gonna be really fast, so if you don't wanna catch up, you can just say right, left. But if you wanna challenge yourself, you can go right, left, left. Good. And at the same time, your arms from here, make a little circle. And then left hand next to your hip, right hand grab your shirt. So you're just gonna cross your right, left leg behind the right, and at the same time pop your chest. Pop the chest. Now step right. Up, up. Yes. Entire time, you're just gonna step right, 3 times, and then find yourself with your shirts or with your sweater, whatever you're wearing. Just find yourself up, up, and the left arm first, stay next to your hip. Now we're just gonna throw the left arm up and then chin up. Good. Now last thing, just gonna cross the right leg and then turn around. That's it. It's a lot. Okay, let's go through knee, shoulder, open part. 5, 6, 7, 8, and knee, shoulder, open, and slash, hands up, circle, pop the chest, right, hands up, neck up, turn around. Good. Okay, let's go through the beginning of the second chorus. 5, 6, 7, 8, and slash, and kick up, swim, and kick, throw, turn around. Knee, shoulder, open, and slash, hands up, and circle, chest, and right, hand up, chin up, turn around. Alrighty, let's do with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and slash, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. Woo! Alright, we completed the second chorus. So let's go through from the very beginning with the counts twice and try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and slash. let's go through one more time a little bit faster, and then we're gonna try with the music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee, shoulder up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn around. Alright, let's do it with the music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and throw. And knee, shoulder open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dancing with me. I hope this tutorial will help you to go through this choreography. If you have any questions, please let me know with the comments down below, and also don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!